Hi guys, my name is Elisa. Stop. Hi guys, my name is Elisa and welcome back to my channel. This is Evan. Today we are celebrating our 2-year anniversary. Woo! Woo! We just exchanged some gifts. It's 12 a.m. So, what is it? Oh, well, now it's 12:40 because we just
40 minutes into it.
Yeah, 40 minutes and we already want to break up.
You're gonna have to cut that part out.
I exchanged all my gifts I'll insert what gifts I gave him. This is just like, I can't believe I went like full simp mode for this, but I thought it was a really cute idea. And we said that we were gonna do like around $50 for our anniversary just because we're going out to dinner, and we are planning a trip to like go snowboarding over the winter break. So kind of went a little light for this, but it's okay because this is like really cute. So I love you with all my 5 senses. So the first one is touch. So I got him a pair of socks, like a whole thing of socks. They're wrapped, but it's just like white Adidas socks. He was saying that he needed those, so I decided to get that for him. Then taste, we have his favorite candies. They are Three Musketeers. They're literally from the dollar store. And then these like orange slice thingies that he really likes that I hate because they taste so bad. But it's okay, he loves them. Smell, I got his cologne that he just ran out of. So I thought that was a good gift. That was like kind of like the big gift of it because it was like close to $50. So, yeah. And then, C, in here I have a paper that says, I made you something on the computer. I don't even know what I said, but I had made him a little, like, montage of us. Very cute, very cringy, but it's okay. And then the last one is here. And in the box, I just, like, wrote a little note, and I'm going to read it to him. So I hope he likes it. And Evan gave me his credit card wrapped, which was fantastic. So tomorrow he scheduled me a nail appointment at 4, which he is going to pay for.
Look at these nails.
Yeah, they're very bad. I'll insert a picture of what I want right here. Okay, are you done? Tomorrow we're gonna go out to dinner, and he said that he has a surprise for me still. So you're gonna have to wait to see that. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
So when I got home from class, I came back to this.
Not this.
And Evan got me a cute little basket with some roses. How cute. He got me some Walmart candles, which I am in desperate need of. And they actually smell pretty good. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then he got me a 2-pack hydrating aloe face mask that we're going to do tonight. And some twin snakes. I love these. And then some Twix that I already broke into.
Which you've already busted into. And look what's in the bottom. Look what's in the bottom.
Oh, what's in the bottom? I didn't even see that. Hey guys.
I always feel like I know what I'm gonna say, and then the camera comes out, and I have no idea what to say.
You're right, show them your outfit.
Good check.
Alright, where are the shoes from?
Shoes are from Air Jordan.
Pants?
Walmart, I think.
What?
Yeah.
Peacoat.
Peacoat from Macy's. Shirt from Patagonia.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Show them your fit.
This is my fit. Shoes are from Shein.
Where else?
Jeans are American Eagle. Belt is from Zaful. Shirt is from Shein. Jacket is from Shein.
Where else? Where's the purse from?
Oh, purse is from Marshall's. We're just walking back to the car.
How was dinner? I give it, alright, way better than our last date.
Yeah.
I give this like an 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, I think I say the same.
And I wasn't
Food
pissed.
was amazing.
I wasn't pissed about like the price or service or anything. It was good.
I mean, the price.
Solid 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Thank you, New Haven.
We're gonna go back to my house, and he promised me a little spa night, and we're gonna do face masks
Hydrating face mask. What's that thing?
that he got from Walmart.
The quartz.
The rose quartz
Roller.
roller. He's obsessed with that.
I am.
Yeah, you are. Every time we do that, you wanna get your face rolled.
Yeah, it feels good.
I know that in the pits was going to be the hardest one to actually deal with. So I'm going to give those to Chef Tiffany.
It's so cold.
Knows what Edamame is. And then I hope you love what's your opponents, and they will have to do the rest of the challenge wearing this apron, which means they'll be tied together.
These are my nails that Evan paid for.
Yep, I paid for him. This guy
They're a little Santa.
This guy.
They're really cute.
Now we hang out for like 10 minutes.
So today we are making a little dinner. Okay. Today.
It actually wasn't on purpose.
Today me and Evan are cooking some dinner. We just went to the gym and we need those gains. So we are cooking the TikTok famous recipe. Do you want to explain? No.
Not my blog.
We're doing the Emily how do you say last name? Marquito?
I don't know.
We're cooking the Emily Marquito. I don't even know how to say her name. I don't know. I'll put her account right here. But we're cooking her salmon and rice recipe, but without the salmon because I'm allergic. So we are going to boil some chicken and shred it up, and then add in some avocado, cucumbers, and and then we're gonna eat it with the seaweed. And we also don't have spicy mayo, so we're gonna make our own spicy mayo. So here's our chicken. It's all prepped and it's ready to go. Now Evan's going to season it with some salt and pepper.
So now that our water's boiling, we're gonna throw our seasoned chicken in there for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it's cooked. And we're gonna let it sit while Elisa cuts up the cucumbers and avocado.
Wow, that did not work.
Tell them all about your new avocado cutter.
So I got this from Shein. Use code 20Lisa for 15% off your purchase. This is $2. Like, look at it. So that gets the middle. This cuts like around, which I didn't use it for, and then this gets all the stuff out. So ready? Oh.
Oh. Alright, while she figures that out, I'm gonna make the chipotle mayo in this thing because it's all I could find. Alright, chipotle mayo. We're gonna be doing a little bit of mayo and some Frank's Red Hot. That's really about it. A couple scoops of mayo in there. And now we just stir it up. That's pretty much your spicy mayo.
So I cut up about 1.5 mini cucumbers for this, and then about a whole avocado for this. Now I'm just gonna be putting in my 90-second jasmine rice into the microwave. So I split the rice up into 2 different plates, and then we have our shredded chicken, and we're gonna distribute it evenly into both plates. So we made little seaweed sandwiches with it, and we're gonna try first bite. Cheers.
1, 2, 3, funky.